Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. If you can't explain it to a 6-year-old, you don't understand it yourself. Student is not a container you have to fill, but a torch you have to light up. Blind belief in authority is the greatest enemy of truth. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Two things are infinite: the universe and human stupidity. And I'm not sure about the universe. Any fool can know. The point is to understand. Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school. Try not to become a man of success. Rather become a man of value. A clever person solves a problem. A wise person avoids it. It is not that I'm so smart, but I stay with the questions much longer. We all know that light travels faster than sound. That's why certain people appear bright until you hear them speak. Genius is 1% talent and 99% hard work. Only those who attempt the absurd can achieve the impossible. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. Wisdom is not a product of schooling, but of the lifelong attempt to acquire it. I'd rather be an optimist and a fool than a pessimist and right. I live in that solitude which is painful in youth, but delicious in the years of maturity. A clever person solves a problem. A wise person avoids it.